Am I the only one that didn't know about Hachiko, the dog whose love never faded? Today, I'll share the most loyal friend Japan ever knew. Get ready for a story that'll tug at your heart. In 1920s Japan, a professor adopted a little Akita puppy and named him Hachiko. Every morning, Hachiko walked with his owner to the train station, and every afternoon he waited for him to come back. But one day, the professor never returned. Still, Hachiko waited. Day after day, for 9 years, he came back at 3 p.m., always hoping. People noticed. They fed him, loved him, and even built a statue in his honor. Hachiko died right where he waited, showing the world what true loyalty looks like. Hachiko wasn't just a dog. He was love that never gave up.